fuel prices are at all-time high, even after the relaxations at this Diwali. Electric vehicle adoption will take time, especially when it comes to four-wheelers. So what alternatives are we left with? CNG or the compressed natural gas is an alternative that is widely available in India right now. But with the dawn of BS6 era, the aftermarket CNG fitment has been banned. The question is why? Hey guys, I am Ritvik Gupta and today we'll be taking a look at why the government has banned aftermarket CNG fitment. And believe me when I say, it has nothing to do with the monopoly companies. The first and the foremost reason is safety. IRF or the International Road Federation states that the cars that are not meant to be fitted with CNG are not safe after the aftermarket CNG fitment. CNG fitting adds extra weight to the car, which has not been accounted for while testing the brakes, and that can cause failure. The IRF also added that the aftermarket CNG shops are not certified or approved, as there is no regulatory for that yet. The second reason is that if the CNG is not fitted properly, it can affect life of the engine drastically. This is why it is always advised to get the company fitted CNG car, as it is done in a controlled environment with utmost precision. And now the BS6 connection. BS6 engines have a catalytic converter which is only available in the factory fitted CNG cars. The entire point of introducing BS6 norms was to reduce emissions. Now if you run a BS6 engine with an aftermarket CNG, you are essentially running a BS4 engine. And these are the reasons why you cannot get a BS6 car fitted with an aftermarket CNG. You can still get your BS4 or the prior cars fitted with an aftermarket CNG. Just ensure that you are getting a licensed aftermarket CNG for your car. Make sure that you get it from an authorized dealer only. Also, make sure that you get the fitment approved from your nearest RTO and get it updated on your registration certificate. Failing to do so can result in a challan or even seizing of your vehicle. I hope I was able to clear the air around aftermarket CNG in your BS6 cars. Still got doubts? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also, smash the like button and hit the bell notification after you're done subscribing to our channel. You can also follow us on our social media handles to never miss any update on the Indian automotive industry. Links are in the description below. This is Ritvik Gupta signing off. See you in another episode. Till then, stay safe.